Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can set frequency for using TipKit in Swift UI with iOS application. So let's get started. So first I'll show you guys the setup and then I'll show you the output so that things will be more clearer for you. So as usual, I have created a Swift UI application. Then the next thing which you have to do is just go to your main app. So you will see this particular file. The file name will be different depending on what project name you have given. So it will extend from app, it will have a window group, and it will have a content view. Inside that content view, I have added a task, so make sure you import TipKit as well. And here I'm just doing this reset data store so that I don't have to. So once, if you are familiar with TipKit, once you have invalidated or dismiss a tip, it won't show it to the user. For that you might have to uninstall the application. So just to avoid that, you can just write this particular bit of code, reset data store. So every time the user launches the app, the tip will be shown. Now this should be only used, this particular line of code should only be used for development purposes. This one, this should be only used for development purposes. Do not use it in production. This is just to get quickly testing for development purposes. Okay, then here we have configure our TipKit. So the data store is application default, and display frequency I have kept it as immediate, but you can keep it whatever you feel like there are multiple things which are available like daily, hourly, immediate, monthly, weekly. So this is the main important part, like setting the display frequency of your TipKit. Then if you see, I have just created one tip over here. So the tip name is just tip. I've given it some title, I've given it some message as well as an image, and there is this another tip which I have created like remove color tips, which title, message and image. Then I can just go to the content view. Okay, I'll just comment this tip view style because I don't want to confuse you guys. Don't use this tip view style. For tip view style I have another video. If you want, you can use that. In the meantime, what I have done is that inside our content view, first I have imported TipKit. I have taken an array of colors inside our state. Then I have initialized the add color tip as well as the remove color tip as well. Then I have just taken a navigation stack. I have taken a scroll view. I'm looping over it all the colors, and I'm just displaying a rounded rectangle. Okay, so not much over here. Then I have taken a toolbar. A toolbar will have one button. So on button, we are just click of the button, we are just inserting some color. So this is a plus button, and we are also invalidating this add color tip. And on second button we are removing the color, and we are also invalidating the remove color tip. So here you can see for both the buttons I have added this add color tip, popover tip. For first button is add color tip, and for second popover button, popover tip for second button is remove color tip. So if I show you over here, okay, I think I'll just rerun it. It has applied that tip view style as well, that's why it is looking little ugly, but let me just rerun it just to show it to you. Now if you remember, the tip frequency was, what was the tip frequency over here? It was immediate. So once I dismiss the add color tip, it will automatically show us the remove color tip. Okay, so if I dismiss this, okay, it hasn't shown the remove color tip. Okay, let me rerun the application. Okay, this will reset the data store again. Okay, sorry about that. We'll see the add color tip again. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just dismiss this. Okay, and I'll now comment this out, then I'll rerun it. So our add color tip won't get displayed again, but I think it should display the remove color tip if I'm not mistaken. So here you can see it has displayed the remove color tip. Okay, so hopefully you got the point. Now I can just dismiss this as well. But what if I don't want to display it immediately? So I can again reset the data store, and I can now I can keep it immediate so that you will be able to see the add color tip. Okay, so let's just wait for that. So here you can see you are able to see the add color tip. I'll just dismiss this, so invalidate it basically. Then I'll just comment this out, and I'll now change this to hourly. So now our remove color tip will not get displayed because the display frequency is hourly. I think it will get displayed after an hour. So here you can see our remove color tip is not displayed. So with the help of this display frequency, you can change the frequency wherever you feel like is right for you for your own app. So yeah, that's what this is all about. Thank you for watching. Bye.